Wow! So many colors. Red, yellow, green. It's like a rainbow of food.
Welcome. What can I get you today?
I need some pineapples.
Those are apples, not pineapples. Pineapples have that spiky green hair on top.
Oh, hairy fruit. Got it.
Yeah, we call it a crown, not hair.
Okay. I'll take some melons.
You mean lemons or melons? Big difference.
They both round and yellow.
One's sweet, one's sour. Trust me, you don't want to eat a lemon like a melon.
Maybe that's why people call something bad a lemon, right?
Exactly, you got it. If you buy something useless like a broken phone, you say it's a lemon.
Ha! Then my old phone is a big lemon. Can I try a banana?
Of course, bananas are everyone's favorite. You know, there's also an idiom. Go bananas.
Like the banana goes somewhere?
Ha ha ha! No! It means to get super excited or crazy. Like, my kids go bananas when they see ice cream.
Oh. So if I find cheap bananas, I go bananas.
Perfect, that's exactly it.
Can I taste a grape? Just one? Tiny one?
Sure, go ahead.
Sweet. I'll take 1 kilo.
Good choice. Grapes are the apple of my eye.
Wait. Apple again? But we're talking about grapes.
No. The apple of my eye means something you love a lot. It's not about apples.
Oh, English is so fruity.
Yeah, full of fruit and full of fun.
Okay, I think I'm done. Apples, bananas, and grapes.
Great, that'll be $10.
Here you go. And thanks for teaching me 3 idioms. I'm going bananas with English.
Haha, you're doing great. Come back soon. Maybe next time for vegetables?
Sure. I'll probably call them fruits too.
No problem. We'll fix that together.
These are the idioms in this episode. A lemon means something that doesn't work or is bad. Go bananas means become crazy or excited. The apple of my eye means someone or something you love. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next adventure. See you next time. Maybe in the vegetable section.